Good morning, my dear students and my dear friend. This is Sudhir and welcome you all on today's class. And today we will understand some concept about the division by taking some special divisors like 20, 30, 40, 50, etc. Okay, I'm taking this concept for the expansion of divisor. Listen carefully. After these questions, we have to understand how to solve the questions by taking the divisors like 57, 88 and 95 like this. Okay. So first of all, we have to understand how to solve the questions which have the two-digit divisor. Okay. And these are the special divisors. As you can see, I have taken the three questions. And the first question have the divisor 40. The second question have the 60. And third one have the 30. Okay. So everyone look front, be focused towards the board. Okay. So let's move towards the first question. And this is question have the dividend 5730. What is the first dividend? 5730 is the dividend and the 40 is the divisor. Okay. So as you can see the 40, that means this 40 have the two digit. 40 have the two digit. Yes. But at the ones place there is 0. Okay. वहां पर क्या है? It is a special divisor which have the 0 at the last. Okay. Now listen carefully. It is 40. So what I'm going to do here? I'm expanding this 40 into two terms. 40 becomes 4 and 0. That means 40 plus 0. Okay. I'm just expanding this number 40 in the two terms 40 and 0. So it is a two-digit number. So I will take a two-digit from the dividend. Okay. I have taken 57 from the dividend and the 40 will be the divisor. Okay. Let's suppose that, can I write 40 ones are 40 here? Yes, we can write 40 ones are 40 because the 57 is greater and 40 is less. We can subtract the 40. Okay, if I am taking 2, so 40 twos will be 80. Can I write 80 there? We cannot write 80. Yes. So listen what I'm doing here. Listen carefully and see carefully here what I'm doing now. Okay. Let us suppose that I'm taking 1 here. Okay. So 4 ones is 4 will come here and 0 ones 0 will come here. That means if the divisor has a 0 at the last, whenever you will multiply with quotient, the 0 will come here. वो जो है वो 0 यहाँ पर आ जाएगा. Okay. So now we have to subtract the 40 from the 57 and you will get the 7 here. Here 1 will be left over. So 17 will be, it is the 17. The next number which is 3 will come downside. So it becomes 173 and now we have to divide 173 by 40. अब ध्यान से देखो यहाँ पे मैं कोई भी नंबर लिखूं, whatever number I will write here, 0 will multiply with that number and the 0 will come here. है ना? मैं किसी से भी अगर मल्टीप्लाई करूं तो ये लास्ट में तो 0 ही आएगा. So I will write 0 here. मैंने 0 लिख दिया. Okay. So now the number which is 4 is left over. अब 4 बचा है. Now we have to see the number which come at the tens and the ones place. 4 ones are 4. We can write 4 twos are 8. So it becomes 80. 4 threes are 12. 4 fours are 16. 4 fives are 20. Can I write 4 fives are 20 here? No, because it becomes 200. That will be greater. So 4 fours are, we will take 4 fours are 16. Listen carefully what I'm doing here. 0 fours are 0 and 4 fours are 16. I'm just expanding the 40 into two terms. 40 plus 0. ठीक है, मैंने इसको expand करके रखा है. ठीक है. So now this is 160. Or rather you can say that 40 fours are 160. ठीक है. अब ध्यान से देखो. Here the 3 will be left over. 7 minus 6 will be 1. Here will be 0. Okay. Now the next number which is 0 will come downside and it becomes 130. अब वो 130 हो गया. Now we have to divide 130 by 40. Okay, by 40. Now as you can see there is a 0 at the last in the divisor. So whatever the number I will take here, मैं जो भी number लूंगा 1 लूं या 2 लूं whatever, तो this 0 multiply by this number will always 0 at the ones place. अब ये 0 है तो हमेशा यहाँ पे 0 ही आएगा. ठीक है. So I'm just separating the 40 into two terms 4 and 0. Okay, 40 प्लस 0. सो जब ये 0 मल्टीप्लाई होगा तो यहां 0 आ जाएगा. ओके, 0 विल कम हियर एंड नाउ द 4 इज लेफ्ट ओवर. ओके, That means what? It is 4 and 0. So अब ये 4 से multiply करूंगा. 4 1 जा 4. Can I write? Yes. 40 1 जा becomes 40. Okay. It is smaller. It is too smaller than 130. Okay. 4 2 जा 8. 4 3 जा 12. Yes, we can write 4 3s are. That means 40 3s are 120. Now here the 10 will be the remainder. I hope you understand. Listen students, I know that you can speak the multiplication table of 40, but what? We have to understand how to expand the divisor. दोनों को अलग अलग लेके कैसे सॉल्व करेंगे, because if there is 40 50 60 it is very easy to solve, but let us suppose that there will be a 57. फिर क्या करोगे? That time this type of concept will help you a lot to solve. Okay, I will take that questions, don't worry. Let's move toward the second question, and the second question have the divisor 60 and the dividend is 5432. What is the dividend? Dividend is 5432 and the divisor is 60. Okay, it is 2-digit number, so I will take 2-digit from here. अब ध्यान से देखो. Okay, it is 54 and it is 60. Okay, अगर मैं normally divide करता भी हूँ, let us suppose that I am taking 1 जा 60 1 जा 60. Can I write 60 here? We cannot write 60. Either you can take 3 numbers, या तो आप लोग वो 3 डिजिट को साथ में ले लो, या तो फिर 60 को 0 से एक बार 60 0 take 60 0 जा 0. Then the next number will come downside and it becomes 543. ठीक है, आप दोनों साइड दोनों तरफ से कर सकते हो. इट इज नॉट नेसेसरी यू हैव टू सॉल्व द क्वेश्चन लाइक मी. ओके, सो आई एम टेकिंग द कॉन्सेप्ट, I am solving this question step by step. So this is 54 and the 54 is not divisible by 60. 60 के टेबल में 54 नहीं आता. That's why I will take zeros. Okay, 60 zeros are 0. Okay, now we have to subtract the 0 from 54. The 54 will left over. वही बचेगा. And the next number which is 3 will come downside. So it becomes 543. देखो ध्यान से. This 0 is present at the beginning of the number, so it is meaningless, already meaningless. You can multiply with 0 or you can take directly a 3 numbers, या तो आप directly भी ले सकते हो, ठीक है, but you can take the number directly only one time, that is first time, ठीक है. So that is 543. Now we have to divide 543 by 60. अब 543 को divide करना है 60 से, and this divisor is a special divisor. What is that? It is a special divisor. Okay, so this is a special divisor which have the 0 at the last. Okay, तो ये जो 0 है वो यहीं पे आएगा, कुछ भी कर लो, whatever. If I will take 5 6 5 becomes 30 will come here और 0 से multiply होके last में 0 ही आएगा. So write down as it is 0. So I am writing here 0. Now the number which is 6 is left over. अब 6 के टेबल में 54 देखते हैं कब आता है. 6 1 जा 6, 6 2 are 12, 6 3 are 18, 6 4 are 24, 6 5 are 30, 6 6 are 36, 6 7 are 42, 6 8 are 48, 6 9 are 54. Yes, 9 times. 6 9 are 54. 0 9 are 0, 6 9 are 54. So it becomes 540. Okay, that means 60 9s are 540. Okay, so now we have to subtract. The 3 will come here, 0 and 0 will be here. There is another number present which is 2, and this 2 will come like this. Here it is 32. Now the 32 is less than 60. छोड़ना मत इसको यहाँ पर. We have to solve at least one time. So we will take 60 zeros are 0, or you can write 0 zeros are 0, 6 zeros are 0. That means 2 times 0, and subtract it. You will get 32 as a reminder. Understood everyone? I hope you understand. Okay dear students, so now let's move toward the next question, and it is very easy. This is 30 and the dividend is 2737. So we will take 2 digit. If here is 2 digit, we will take 2 digit. Divisor में 2 digit, to take a 2 digit from the dividend. Okay, so that is 27, that is 30, and we have the special divisor which have the 0 at the last. तो जब भी आप किसी भी क्वोशंट से whenever you will multiply the divisor into quotient, लास्ट में जीरो आएगा, ठीक है. सो राइट डाउन दिस जीरो एज इट इज हियर. सो नाउ कैन आई राइट 3 1 जा 3? We cannot write, okay, because it is 27 and this 27 is less than 30. So you can take 3 digit directly, या फिर write down zeros are 0 and then 3 digit will come at the next step. Next step में 3 हो जाएगा. So in this case I am taking the directly, ठीक है. So take 3 digit. 27 is less than 30. That's why I am taking the 3 digit. Listen carefully again. 27 is less than 30. 27 is not divisible by 30. That's why I am taking the another number. I am taking 273. Now I am taking the 3 digit from the dividend and divisor has the 2 digit. Okay. अब जो भी जिससे भी मैं मल्टीप्लाई करूंगा, लेट अस सपोज दैट, सपोज समझो कि यहाँ पर 1 ही है, तो क्या होगा, दिस जीरो विल कम एट द एंड. वो जीरो लास्ट में जाएगा ही जाएगा. सो राइट डाउन द जीरो एज इट इज हियर. आई एम राइटिंग द जीरो एज इट इज. ओके. नाउ वी हैव टू स्पीक द टेबल ऑफ 3 अप टू टिल 27. देखो बहुत इजी है. यहाँ पे जो भी नंबर आएगा, डोंट केयर अबाउट दैट, क्योंकि अगर वो सब्ट्रैक्ट नहीं भी हुआ, वी कैन टेक अ बोरो फ्रॉम द नेबर नंबर. बाजू वाले से नंबर से we can take a borrow from the neighborhood number. So subtract this, to subtract these numbers which is on the ones place, but we have to think about the digit which is on the highest places, because अगर यहाँ से बड़ा हो गया तो we can take a borrow. ठीक है. So 3 9s are 27. We can write 3 9s are, yes, 27. So when you will multiply the 30 by 9, so what will happen? 9 zeros are 0. 9 3s are 27. Either you can multiply the divisor into quotient or quotient into divisor. We can change the order of number in multiplication. Okay, so that is 270. And now we have to subtract the 270 from 273. So it becomes 3. That means the 3 will be left over and the 7 will come downside. 7 bhaiya aa jao niche. Okay, so now it is 37. Now we have to divide the 37 by 30. So 30 ones are 30. Ones are 30. 0 ones are 0. 3 ones are 3. Okay, here the 7 will be left over, here will be 0. So the remainder is 7 and the quotient is 91. I hope you understand these questions. Okay, so quickly note down in your maths notebook and then we will proceed towards some more questions. ठीक है. So you have the 30 seconds. Okay, dear students, so let's move toward the next questions. And these questions are little bit difficult. थोड़ा सा difficult है ना? But as you can see, I increase the numbers, I increase the digit in the dividend. So first dividend, in the first question, the dividend is 48,910 and the divisor is 50. जो हमारा divisor है वो है 50 और जो हमारा dividend है that is 48,910. And now we have to divide the 48,910 by which number? By 50. Okay, so this 50 have the 2 digit. Okay, so we will solve taking by 2 digit. ध्यान से हमेशा आपको रखना है, एक बात का आपको ध्यान रखना है, and that means what? If the divisor is 2 digit, take 2 digit from the dividend. ठीक है, तो 2 digit लेते हैं. चलो क्या होता है? Here is 48, here is 50. Okay, अब यहाँ पे 48 है, यहाँ पर 50 है. So can I write 50 ones are 50? We cannot write 50 ones are 50 because the 48 will be smaller than 50. We cannot take it. Okay, so now listen here. Whatever the number I will take here, ध्यान से देखो. Okay, look front. 0 into that quotient will be always 0 here. ये 0 last में है तो यहाँ 0 ही आने वाला है. That means we don't have to think about the digit which is on the अरे बोलो ना, ones place. Okay, that means ones place पे तो 0 ही आने वाला है. ठीक है. और अगर ज्यादा बड़ा आ भी गया, अगर इफ देयर इज 9, लेट अस सपोज दैट 9 बाद में आता भी है कभी इन अदर केसेस, सो वी कैन टेक अ बोरो फ्रॉम अनदर नंबर. सब्ट्रैक्ट नहीं हुआ तो बोरो ले लेंगे, बट वी हैव टू थिंक अबाउट द नंबर विच इज प्रेजेंट ऑन द हाईएस्ट प्लेस. वहां अगर बड़ा हो गया तो बोरो नहीं ले पाएंगे, वी कैन नॉट टेक अ बोरो. यस, सो लिसन हियर. What we have to do, we will take a 3 digit. Either you can take a 3 digit, या तो 3 digit ले लो, या फिर write down 50 zeros are 0. Understood everyone? Simple. I'm taking the 0 as a quotient. 0 zeros are 0. 5 zeros are 0. You can write 1 0, you can write 2 0, you can write 1000 0. 0 is always 0. 0 is always 0. ठीक है. So listen everyone here. So we have to subtract the 0 from 48. So the 48 will be left over and the 9 will come down side. So the new number is 489. And now we have to divide the 489 by 50, and this 50 have the 0 at the last. So whatever the number I will take in the quotient, कुछ भी कर लो, लास्ट में 0 आना ही आना है, इतना पक्का है. तो लिख दो इस 0 को यहां पर डायरेक्ट. ठीक है. सो नाउ व्हाट, 0 से इसका मल्टीप्लाई तो हो गया, जो भी नंबर होगा मालूम नहीं. सो नाउ टेक 5. 5 1 जा 5, छोटा हो गया. 5 2 जा 10, अगेन इट इज टू स्मॉल. 5 3 जा 15, 5 4 जा 20, क्या होगा? 5 9 जा 45. 5 9 जा 45 एंड 5 10 जा इज 50. 5 10 जा तो नहीं ले सकते, we can take 5 9s are, because when you will take 5 9s are 45. That means what, we have to multiply the 50 into 9. ये 0 यहां पर डायरेक्ट धर. अब बचे 2 घन चक्कर. 9 5 are 45, राइट डाउन हियर. सो इट इज 450, जैसे कि मैंने पहले लिखा था, करेक्ट था. माइनस 9 minus 0 will be 9. 8 minus 5, 6 7 8. Here will be 0 and the next number, Maharaja Ridhaj, 1 will fall down and this become 391. And now we have to divide 391 by 50. Again the 50 have the 0 at the last. चिपका दो लास्ट में 0. चल तेरा काम खत्म, बचा हुआ 5 है. नाउ वी हैव टू थिंक अबाउट दिस 39 इन द मल्टीप्लिकेशन टेबल ऑफ 5. 5 1 5, 5 2 10, 5 3 15, 5 4 20, 5 5 25, 5 6 30, 5 7 35, 5 8 40. ज्यादा हो गया. 5 7 35 we can take, so write down 7. 0 7 0, 5 7 35. And now we have to subtract the 350 from the 391. तो obviously we can subtract. छोटा है ना भाई, this is छोटा, this is मोटा. So 1 will be here. 5 minus 9 will be 4. चल 4 इधर आ जाए. Here will be 0. Now the next number is also present. जब तक पूरे नंबर खत्म होते नहीं, जब तक लगे रहो मुन्ना भाई. Okay, so this is 0 and this 0 will fall down towards the down, डायरेक्ट ग्राउंड फ्लोर पे गिलेंगे. और भैया 0 आजा and the 0 will come here and this become 410. And now we have to divide 410 by 50 and whatever the number I will take here, यहाँ 0 तो यहाँ पर तो 0 आना ही आना है. 10 के टेबल में देखो, 10 1 10, 2 20, 10 3 30, 40 50 60. लास्ट में 0 है ना, तो हमेशा 0 ही आएगा. तो लिख दो यहाँ 0. आई एम राइटिंग हियर 0. नाउ द 5 इज लेफ्ट ओवर. 5 1 5, 5 2 10, 5 9 45. we cannot write, that will be greater. 5 8 40, 5 8 40, 5 8 40. Now, ten will be the remainder. I hope you understand how to find out the answer. Let's move toward the next question. I have the time now. Time. Okay. So now let's move toward the next question. And this question have the dividend 12,345. 12,345 is the dividend. And the divisor is 80. We have to divide by 80. So we have the advantage of 0 because the 80 have the 0 at the ones place. Okay. It is 2-digit number. Take 2 digit from the dividend. यहाँ पर मैंने 0 लिया था, डायरेक्ट नहीं लिया था. Now in this case I will take directly. Listen carefully. If you are taking 50 zeros are 0 at the first step, you will get the 0 at the beginning of the number. कोई मतलब का नहीं है वो, ठीक है. You can take the 3 digit directly. So I am taking the numbers directly. So I am taking 123 here and here is 80. Why I am taking these 3 numbers directly? Because these 2 number which is 12, ये जो 12 है ना, that is less than 80. होगा ही नहीं डिवाइड, ठीक है. तो हम लोग तीसरा वाला भी खींच लेंगे इधर. आजा बेटा, ठीक है. So it is 123. This number is 123 and this is 80. And now whenever I will take a number here, the 0 will come here. 0 आएगा, लगा दो 0 इधर, ठीक है. Now 8 is left over. 8 1 जा 8, 8 2 जा 16, 81 जा 80, 82 जा 160. That will be greater than 123. We cannot take, नहीं ले सकते. तो take 1 जा 80. ठीक है. Now we have to subtract the 80 from 123. 3 minus 0 is 3. 2 में से 8 नहीं जाता. Take borrow. It becomes 12. Here will be 0. तो लिख देता हूं इधर मैं 0. 12 minus 8 will be 4. Now the next number which is 4 जो बैठे आसमान पे नीचे गिरेंगे. तो this will fall down at this place and the number becomes regrouped and it is 434. And now we have to divide 434 by 80. अब मैं जो भी नंबर लूंगा यहां पर, ये 0 सीधा यहां आएगा. 0 तो आएगा ही आएगा. 81 जा 80, 0 आएगा. 82 जा 160, फिर से लास्ट में 0 आ रहा है. ऑलवेज रिमेंबर दैट इफ द डिवाइजर हैव द 0 एट द लास्ट, जब भी आप मल्टीप्लाई करोगे क्वोशिएंट से तो you will get 0 here. Okay, so now I am writing the 0. Okay, now the 8 is left over. Now we have to think about the next two number which is 43. 8 के टेबल में 43. 8 1 जा 8, 8 2 जा 16, 8 6 जा 24, 8 4 जा 32, 8 5 जा 40, 8 6 जा 48. नहीं लिख सकते 48. 8 5 जा लिखो 40. 8 5 जा we will write 40. So 85 is 400. Okay, okay. करो minus. Here will be 34. Here will be 0. Next number. जितना नंबर पीछे उतना नंबर नीचे. फिर से बोलता हूं. If you are taking the number like this, whatever the number is at the last, जो नंबर लास्ट में रहेगा, जितना नंबर पीछे उतना नंबर नीचे. ठीक है. सो दिस इज 5. दिस विल फॉल डाउन टू द ग्राउंड फ्लोर. अब बेचारे की हड्डी पसली टूटेगी. बेटा तू नीचे गिर. नाउ द 5 विल कम हियर and the number becomes 345. And now we have to divide 345 by the divisor which is 80. And this is a special divisor which have the 0 at the last. तो ये लास्ट में तो 0 है. 0 is always 0. लगा दो 0 इधर. ओके, 0 आ गया. Now we have to think about the numbers which is on the 100 and the tens place. So we have to speak the table of 8. 8 1 जा 8, 8 2 जा 16, 8 3 जा 24, 8 4 जा 32. We can write 32. 8 4 जा 32. Listen carefully, students. It is 80 now. Okay. Okay. This is 80. So what we have to do? Hmm. This is 80, and when you will multiply by 4, 4 से जब आप multiply करोगे, 4 zeros is 0. Look here, always there is 0. So I'm writing 0 directly. Okay. So now, or you can multiply this 80 by different number. You can check by different number, and then you can write here. Okay. So whatever you feel easy, you can solve by that method. So here the 5 will left over. 4 minus 2 is 2. 3 minus 3 is 0. And here will be 0. Okay. So as you can see here, the reminder is, always remember that one thing. This remainder should be less than divisor. Otherwise, your answer is wrong. Samjhe? Okay, I hope you understand these questions. I'm making the videos of more questions which have the 220 at the last. 800, 500, 700, 700 that is 70,000. Okay. 70 मतलब 70,000 हो जाता है, ठीक है. तो आई एम मेकिंग सम वीडियोस which have the divisor like 700, 400, 800, okay, और 2000. You can write 2000. बस वहां पे जितने नंबर ऑफ जीरो है वो जीरो नीचे वो लिखना है, ठीक है. दैट इज वेरी सिंपल, डोंट वरी अबाउट दैट. Note down these questions in your notebook. Okay, I will make some more questions. That means I will make a video with some more questions and I will send to you as soon as possible. तब तक के लिए बाय. बाकी सब तो बढ़िया है.